In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sennheiser headphones to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily set up and use any Sennheiser headphones that you have on a PlayStation 5 console. You will be able to connect them through various means. So first, you will be able to connect them through a wired connection. Most Sennheiser headphones will have a standard 3.5mm jack that needs to be connected. So to start, plug them into the headphone if needed. So an example would be the HD599, where you plug one end into the actual headphone, and then you will be able to plug the other end of the 3.5mm audio jack cable into your controller or any suitable 3.5mm port. As soon as the headphones are properly connected to an available port, either on your controller or somewhere else, they will be detected. So if you go over to the settings on your PlayStation 5, you will be able to set them up as the default output device. You can also connect a microphone as well if you want, and as soon as they are connected, you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on your PlayStation 5 through the Sennheiser headphones. This will work for any model that you have, including, of course, any specific USB ones. Alternatively, if you have a Bluetooth headphone, for example, the HD450BT, you might be able to connect them over Bluetooth. So to do this, set them up in pairing mode. So press and hold the physical button available on the actual headphone, and then once this is done, they will be in pairing mode. You will be able to find them under the list of available devices. And as soon as they are connected, once again, you can change them to the output device and set them up as standard. However, the PlayStation 5 usually has trouble connecting the Bluetooth devices, so keep that in mind. The 3.5mm audio cable is much more recommended to establish a connection between the Sennheiser headphones and your PlayStation 5. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sennheiser headphones to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.